Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. This is Paul speaking from Jap Auto Agent, and today we've got an interesting vehicle here. This is a 2012 March Honda Stepwagon RK5 model Sparda S. But what's interesting about this vehicle is it's actually fitted with a, factory fitted we're talking about here, a lift-up front seat for wheelchair access. So in Japan these are known as a Wellcab. So this vehicle is ideal for a wheelchair access for somebody who is either an amputee or is confined to a wheelchair. It will help them to access the vehicle. Also, you will notice as you look at the back of the vehicle, you'll notice that the height from the floor of the bumper bar is it's quite low. So therefore, getting a wheelchair into the back of this vehicle afterwards is not difficult. These Hondas do tend to have a low centre of gravity. So even for able-bodied people, getting in and out of these vehicles is very easy. It's like sitting down at your dining table. It's so easy. You're not climbing up into the vehicle. It's going in at a nice comfortable height from the floor. This vehicle is an 8-seater. The back seats fold down actually into the floor, very, very neat and tidy, and open up the rear of the vehicle, and the middle row seats will tip forward and you've effectively got a van. So in this case, as I say, the lift up seat is in the passenger side front, and this is not so common to find, but handy for some people who would rather have the disabled passenger sitting at the front of the vehicle. So this, as I say, this vehicle comes with a full factory aero kit, rear spoiler. It's got the factory alloy wheels, front fog lights, HID lights, indicator mirrors. It's got privacy glass. It's got 2 power doors. It's got some very interesting courtesy lights that are located under the sills at the sides of the vehicle. Amazing. They light the floor up as you get in and out. It really is very smart. I've never seen that before. So paddle shift gears, leather bound steering wheel. The vehicle comes with ABS, climate control. It's got dual airbags. There are 2 key fobs and keys. So all the maker recalls have been completed. The original floor carpets in the vehicle. This was a grade 4 BB in a CAA auction, and from a condition grading, that's about as good as it gets for a car of this age and mileage and value. You're not going to get better than grade 4 BB. So this vehicle should be landing into the UK at around 8,200. That's including the duty and the VAT payments. Now, the interesting thing is that for somebody who is a genuine wheelchair user or amputee, they can apply for duty and VAT relief at the port of entry, which would wipe about 1,400 off that price. So there's a massive saving to be had on this vehicle. I would reckon that the retail value of this vehicle on a garage forecourt in the UK would be something in the region of 12,995 UK. So there's a good saving for my customers who buy these vehicles. I work for a fixed commission, working as an appointed agent. You'd appoint me as your agent, and I would stay with you all the way through the process to registration at the DVLA. And so there it is. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I can add to this, but it's very clean on the chassis. We've got a Dropbox file of photographs showing the underside of the car, and it's rust free. Basically, it's a rust free vehicle, but as you can see, the condition's very clean. And here we now go to demonstrate how this lift up power seat actually lifts the passengers in and out of the vehicle. I mean, I think that is absolutely wonderful. So anyone wishing to go for this vehicle, they can. It's available at the present time. It's currently still in Japan. We are looking at about 2 months to get the vehicle here to the UK, and about another 3 or 4 weeks to get it registered. So it's not a fast process, but it's a win-win opportunity. Not only do you get a very rare and a very unusual vehicle, because that front lift-up seat, you don't see them very often. You could wait for another 6 months before you see another one. But so not only do you get a nice vehicle in top grade condition, but you make a big saving. So it's genuinely a win-win. There we go. Grade 4 BB on the auction report. So there it is. Contact me if you want to take it any further. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@japautoagent.com.